Hello everybody and welcome to Scalemodeling. My name's Peter and this is just a quick video to let people know that I'm turning on memberships as an option on the channel now. So what I'm going to do is I've set it all up here so that for $5.99 Australian a month, that's the membership price. You'll have to work that out in your own countries wherever you're from. It's just one level of membership and it'll include all the usual perks that come with membership, but also it'll give the opportunity for people to have a bit more personal contact with me. I'll be giving out my personal email address and Facebook Messenger options to be able to have one-on-one conversations and chat with people, and particularly for people who are following on my channel on builds. They may be following videos that I've made in the past because they've found they'd want to build the Yamato and they're following along to get some hints along the way and want to have a bit more personal contact with some questions. I'm available hopefully 24/7 to answer any of the questions, so they'll have access via Facebook or email. Also, along with membership, there's the usual perks you get. You get badges, so throughout the live chats and comments that are left on videos, you'll have a badge there that shows that you're a member. They also change as you progress, and the longer you stay a member, the badges change to signify that. There's emojis option in there too, which I've left out because I'm not too up with that, so haven't really done much about that at the moment. But there's also recognition as well. So because you're a paying member of the community towards the channel, then there'll be shout outs for you, particularly if you have a channel of your own. What I'll be doing is I'll be putting in the description of all my videos that get uploaded will be a link to channel members' YouTube channels as well. Okay, along with the usual shout outs in live chat, so we can all help each other. Basically, that's what I'd like to do. We all want to grow the channel and get more people to see what we're doing and get our interest out there in the community. So it's just my way of doing that. There's also our Facebook page, so I'll make sure that you'll have moderator abilities, and we'll make you sort of a higher member in the Facebook group page too, so that'll allow you to post photos of what you're doing and your build, and they'll be featured on the page as well. So it's because I want to see what you're doing as well, and you can't do that in the comments of videos. That's why I created a Facebook page to allow people to do that, which is well up over 100 members at the moment, and it's going really well, growing really well. So as you know, I'm now in Thailand living. I've moved over here and early retirement, which means that I'll be putting a lot more time into the YouTube channel and into Scalemodeling. The channel name will not change. I know that's been suggested, but no, I'm still an Aussie and I'm still Scalemodeling, no matter where I am. But it means that I'll be putting more time into it. I intend on doing hopefully 2 live streams a week. There may be some members only perks in there as well. For instance, people who are members get to see my videos that are uploaded hours before the general public do. Nothing changes for the regular subscribers. Normal subscribing to the channel is free, and nothing will change with the content you're getting. It's just that paid members will get a bit more exclusive access to seeing videos that a bit earlier. They'll get a chance to see them earlier, and they'll also be moderators in chat So the channel is growing quite fast now. It's at this point now well over 5,000 subscribers, and it's getting quite more time consuming, which is good. I'm enjoying their feedback, the emails, the comments, and so forth, and all the tips and suggestions that come from people. So just want people who are members to get a little bit more attention and their voice heard a little bit more, so that'll happen. And certainly recognition as well that they are members contributing to the growth of the channel, and that you know, your contributions will help go towards models and tools and equipment I need, and so forth, and just the overall growth of everything. It's essential, I thought, to take on members for this. YouTube does take 30%. That's just the way it is. So I've set the price, as I said, $5.99 Australian. So it doesn't work out too much. It's only a couple of dollars, less than a couple of dollars a week, and it would be very much appreciated. Now there's still the option of super chats and so forth you can do during live streams, and I think that can also be done in comments on videos that have been uploaded as well. Yeah, so here we go. So there you go. I'll be enabling this probably this week, and it'd be fantastic if anybody is interested and wants to join up as a member. I really appreciate it. It'd be fantastic. And yeah, I'm not one for asking for donations or things like that, but yeah, it'll make things much easier for me to keep the content coming, keep the kit reviews coming, and basically restock. As you know, I've left everything behind in Australia when I moved to Thailand, and need to restock on everything. But here is my new setup here. I still have another monitor to come that I may be buying tomorrow. I've got a work area here. I just went out and bought a new air compressor for the airbrush, and so I'm building things up, and we've got the basics to start working on the first kit over here in Thailand. Okay guys, so thank you all. Just an update that memberships will be on, and an option, and it would be much appreciated if you were to maybe take that on. Alright guys, thank you all. Catch you later. Bye.